Hello guys, it's Delta249er here with a review of the Syma S107 RC helicopter. This helicopter has a gyroscope, so it is able to turn left, right, and go up and down very easily. It comes in blue, red, or yellow. I have the blue edition. And just a few things about it. The controller here has different frequencies on it. It has 3, but apparently you can have up to 2 of these running on different frequencies at the same time, but I see 3 frequencies, so I'm not exactly sure if you can use 3, but I have no idea. It's an indoor helicopter, so just because it's really light, if you brought it outside, it would probably get blown around, and yeah, so it wouldn't work very well. It comes with the remote, the controller, with actually on the controller has trim, power, acceleration, and you have your controls here, and then an on-off switch, and then the channels, and then you have the helicopter, the USB cord, and comes with the box and a manual. And it's about 7.5 inches long with everything spread out and all that, and it's about I think it's like 3.8 inches in height. That again, that's with everything. And yeah, this is a really good helicopter. It's really durable, not too expensive, and I would recommend this if you are looking for like a helicopter, just an RC helicopter, indoor. And for about a 25 to 30 minute charge, you get about 10 to 15 minutes out of it, and I mean, that's pretty good, I thought. I know it's like half, but I thought it was pretty good, decent. And this one's for about $25 to $30, depending on where you get it, and that's as of right now, so it may change over time. And there is some assembly required, very little though. You do have to attach some of the, different parts here. Nothing very difficult. And yeah, that's about it. I really like this product, and make sure you stay tuned after this video. Like right after I end, there will be a little demonstration of it. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and make sure you go check out my channel for other gaming and reviews and tutorials, other content. And yeah, that's about it. So if you'd like to see a demonstration, then just keep watching this video.